Your school bag might look simple, but trust me, it decides how smooth or stressful your entire day will be. An overfilled bag makes you tired. An empty bag makes you forget important things. So today, let's pack a school bag properly. Not in a fancy way, but in a smart, realistic student way. First rule, always start with an empty bag. Take everything out. Old notebooks, random papers, broken pens, food wrappers. Remove all of it. This step is important because you can't organize mess. You can only clean it first. Now let's start packing. If you carry a laptop or tablet, this should go in first. Place it in the back compartment so the weight stays balanced. It protects your device and also keeps your shoulders comfortable. Right after that, the charger. Never rely on memory. Low battery in school feels like panic, especially during classes or presentations. Now let's talk about books and notebooks. This is where most students overdo it. You don't need every notebook you own. Only pack notebooks for the subjects you have that day. Usually 2 to 3 notebooks are enough. Extra books only make your bag heavier and your mind tired. If you need a textbook, carry just one main book, not the entire syllabus. Next comes something very important, your pencil pouch. Your pouch should be useful, not crowded. Keep 2 blue or black pens, 1 pencil, an eraser, a sharpener, a small scale or ruler. That's enough for daily school use. If you use highlighters, carry 1 or 2, not all colors. Highlighters help in quick revision, but too many just create confusion. For older students, a calculator is essential. Always keep it in a safe pocket so it doesn't break. A calculator saves time and reduces exam stress. Now let's move to snacks. Never go to school with an empty stomach. Carry something light, a small snack box, fruits, dry snacks or biscuits. Hunger affects focus more than you realize. A small snack can save your energy during long classes. Next, water bottle. This is non-negotiable. Dehydration causes headaches, tiredness, and irritation. A water bottle keeps you fresh and focused all day. Now, personal essentials, especially important for girls. Carry a small pouch with lip balm, tissues, hand sanitizer, a small mirror, sunscreen, wet wipes. These things help you stay fresh and confident, especially during long school hours. Girls should also always carry sanitary pads or panty liners, not because you expect a problem, but because being prepared gives peace of mind. If you have important papers, assignments, or worksheets, keep them in a folder. Folded papers inside the bag always get messy. A folder keeps your work neat and professional. Now comes the fun part, making your bag feel personal. Add 1 or 2 small touches, such as a simple keychain or charm, a small plush or bow, or minimal pastel accessories. Keep it light, because too many decorations can look messy and feel heavy. When your bag feels both cute and functional, you walk into school feeling calm, confident, and ready for the day. Before closing your bag, take one final look. Ask yourself, do I really need this today? If not, remove it. A lighter bag feels better on your shoulders and calmer in your mind. Now zip your bag. Notice how it feels. Not too heavy, not empty, just right. When your bag is organized, your day automatically feels more controlled. School life is already busy. Your bag should support you, not stress you. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more student lifestyle tips, and comment below. What's one thing you always keep in your school bag?